determine the horizontal asymptote, we have the degree of the P is 3. The degree of Q is 2. This is P and this is a Q. Because the degree of P of X is greater than the degree of Q of X, then we don't have the degree of the numerator is greater than the degree of the denominator, so there is no horizontal asymptotes. There is no horizontal asymptote. To find the oblique asymptote, as we did in the previous example, you need to divide the numerator over the denominator, and you need to get what? You need to get the quotient. The quotient is going to be your oblique asymptote, because this one has a degree of 3 and this one has a degree of 2, which is only 1 degree higher than the degree of the denominator. So I'm going to leave this to you. Find the rational function that satisfies the given conditions. Vertical asymptote. We have a vertical asymptote which is -4 and x equals to 2. So which one of these guys is going to be a candidate for the function? So we know that if these are the zeros, these are vertical asymptotes. So x equals -4 and x equals 2, these are the zeros of the denominator. Which is q of x. Right? So what are the factors of q of x? When you are given the 0. So since x equals -4 is a 0 of q of x, then x positive 4 is a factor of q of x. The same thing with the x equals 2. Also, x minus 2 is a factor of q of x. So we have two factors. Because we have two zeros now, we have two factors of q of x. So q of x could be written as what? Q of x can be written as a product of two factors, x plus 4 times x minus 2. Okay? We have no idea about p of x. The question doesn't give you anything about the p of x. So we know that the q of x is going to be something like this. So let's look at the a. Is it an a? For sure, no, because a gives you only one vertical asymptote. Is it b? It could be b, but no, because x minus 4x plus 2, if you set the q of this to 0, you're going to get x equals to the -4 and x equals to 2. These are vertical asymptotes. These do not match what we have already. So not A, not B. Is it C? It's not C, because x minus 2 can be cancelled with x minus 2. Here, look at this. So there's a common factor. So we ended up here having only one vertical asymptote, which is x equal to the -4. Is it D? I mean, it's not ABC, so it has to be D, because yes, look at the look at the solution of the denominator. Set the denominator to 0, you can get x equals to the -4 and x equals to the 2, and exactly what we have for the vertical asymptote. Also, compare p of x and the q of x. Look at them. P of x is here, q of x is here, so they don't have any common factor. So the answer is going to be D. Okay.